Okay, I wanted to share a funny incident that happened a couple of weeks back. Someone asked me, Shriman, I think you're worried about something. Why is your hair thinning? Why you're having hair loss all of a sudden? I was like, my only worry in my life is I'm having hair loss. I think I'm thinking too much about it and I'm having hair loss again. Does that count? Anyways, funnily I answered him, but then I started actually thinking, yes, I'm having a little bit of hair loss. I have to do something about this. But now you can see it's much better, isn't it? Like go a couple of videos back, it feels much thicker and stronger. There are two things to do. First is internal, okay? You need to have a proper diet, have like proper nutritious food, give your body all the nutrients needed. You should repair your body from within. Nourish your body from inside and nourish your body from outside as well. Since 3 weeks I've been using this range called Bring Amla range from Mamaearth. In the Bring Amla range we have Bring Amla oil, Bring Amla hair mask, Bring Amla shampoo, Bring Amla conditioner. The Bring Amla oil is the base for all these products in the Bring Amla range. This is created by using a traditional Indian practice called Shir Pak Vidhi. KSHIR, Shir, which is milk. This milk is mixed with different herbs in a process which requires a lot of patience and precision. Making this oil literally takes almost 3 to 4 hours from scratch, and this process has not changed since almost 4000 BC. The final oil that is extracted is called a miraculous elixir or amrit for your hair, and the beauty of this extract is it prevents hair loss and hair graying as well. This extracted oil is nothing but Bring Amla oil. Now the benefits of Bring Amla oil using this Shir Pak Vidhi plays a very important role in maintaining scalp health and overall hair quality. And it's got this nice distinctive aroma which has a nice calming and soothing effect on your mind. Bring Amla is something that is in trend right now because it promotes hair growth. There are a lot of products out there, but none of them follow this proper Shir Pak Vidhi. Mamaearth follows that, which is what makes it very unique. Truly effective like that. Firstly, I really love this comb dispenser. Using something like this is definitely going to reach till the bottom of the scalp. Give it a nice massage. Next, what you have to do is use the shampoo and clean this off the same Bring Amla shampoo. So let me take a shower and see you guys. There are many ways you can keep yourself positive, but definitely the way you look, your appearance, all this matters a lot, and that makes you feel more positive about yourself, more confident. Also, you can use the Bring Amla hair mask. You can use this hair mask before going for a shower. Like you need to keep it for at least 10 to 15 minutes in your hair and then wash it off with the Bring Amla shampoo. There are definitely good results. Each of these products have like amazing ingredients in them. It's got lots of vitamin C because it's got amla. It's got methi extract, neem extract, coconut oil, henna, cow milk, a lot of good stuff inside it, which really helps promote hair growth and reduce hair graying. And one of the good things that I like about Mamaearth is that they're all natural ingredients. They are chemical free and the brand is officially certified by PETA as cruelty free. And most importantly, Mamaearth is an Indian brand. Definitely one of the reasons I would like to support it and use those products. And yes, let's go #vocal for local. And yes, once again, you can use my coupon code Shriman2020, get flat 20% off at Mamaearth. Also, these products are available on Amazon and Flipkart. Chalo, now one more important thing we'll have to talk about is, since a very long time you people have been asking me, Shriman bhai, tell us about your workouts, tell us about your diet, and the biggest secret, who is Shriman's trainer? Today in the next part of this vlog, we're gonna talk about all that. But before that, once again, let me start working out. Let me show off a little bit. What's up guys, kaise ho? I hope everyone is doing great. I know you guys have been seeing me like this since the last 3-4 months. Almost every alternate video I'm trying to show my workout so that I can motivate you guys. All the time Shriman is only talking about workout, diet, mera tiffin box, tiffin box, oats, peanut butter, all this stuff.
That's my healthy oats and protein powder with some peanut butter.
Where is my tiffin box here? My tiffin box. People who are asking me what is my diet, it looks like this: oats, peanut butter and protein powder. But I've never spoken about what I actually do. How did I lose so much of weight? If you see this compared to this, there is a huge amount of difference, right? That's like almost 14 kgs. I was at a crazy staggering 97 kilos. And now I'm at 82 or something. But that's not over yet. I need to still get ripped a little bit. My target weight is around 76, 77. And then I'm good. From there on, I'll be putting on more muscle and remove a lot of fat from my body so that I look nice and lean. So before I disappoint you further, today I'll be talking about what I actually do. How did I lose my weight? And most important of all, who is my secret trainer? Yes, without a trainer, it is very difficult. You can do it if you have the right motivation and drive. But then a right trainer who can guide you every single day, what you have to do, what you should not eat, then it definitely matters a lot. So let's begin with how I start my day. Okay, it was around mid-March and I've just completed my Kerala trip, came back home and I was thinking, I was so uncomfortable during my Kerala trip on the bike. Especially when you sit on the bike like that, your body compresses, your stomach pushes towards the zip of your jacket. It's so uncomfortable when you have a paunch. My stomach was oozing out of my riding pants. I couldn't even button them. I never told this anyone because it's obviously so embarrassing, yaar. Anyway, shit happens. I put on a lot of weight. Forget the physical aspect of it. Mentally, I was getting low. I was so lethargic. I don't want to work so much. All this is happening because of my heavy weight. Fast forward to end of March and everyone knows the big thing that happened, lockdown. I thought by the end of the lockdown, I should be transformed. Now, I'll not say like I'm crazy transformed, but definitely much better than how I used to look. Now, before going further into my journey, I have to talk about two particular people who really helped me achieve this transformation. Yes, I'm talking about that person, the secret trainer. I've created a lot of hype and all, but let me tell you, he's none other than Zishan, who is famous for his dialogue, Tiger, Tiger hai. Yes, I'm talking about Zishan, Nikhil's friend. So basically Zishan got in touch with me like around December or November. He wanted to understand a few accessories for his new Tiger. He got the Tiger XRX that time. Of course he could talk to Nikhil, but then I ride a similar variant like his, and that's how we came in touch. We keep chatting even today. He gives me a lot of motivation when it comes to workout and fitness. But beginning it was not about fitness. It was more about biking, traveling and all that. And remember this Instagram post? Yes, he saw this particular post and he replied saying, Shriman, I think you're trying to lose weight and it is evident you're losing weight, but then something's wrong with your diet or exercise because you look very tired, you look very weak in your face. I told him that I'm following this zero carb diet, high protein, high fat, which is basically keto. So he said, Shriman, if you don't mind, how about I train you? I give you the right diet and workout plan. I was like, Zishan, you look so amazing. You look ripped. Of course, I need a person, someone like you who can guide me rather than reading those blogs and articles where one says don't eat this, one says don't eat that. And then everything started there. Zishan, the motivator, okay? I'm calling him the motivator because I'll tell you why. This went on for the next 1 week, 10 days, and then he himself realized, Sriman, your willpower is really good. You're doing whatever I'm telling you, statement by statement, word to word. I don't want to disappoint you or misguide you. I told you whatever I know, but I don't think it's gonna work like this. How about I give you a proper nutritionist, a certified nutritionist? I'm like, whoa, what's happening? That's amazing, yaar. So Zishan's friend, another Zishan, see that is the reason I gave Zishan the motivator that tag. Now the other Zishan the trainer. This guy, he's a proper certified nutritionist. He designed the whole diet plan for me and also my workout plan. I follow every single step he tells me. All this transformation is possible because of him. I know what you guys are thinking. There is a link in the description to his Instagram ID. You can go and ping him, talk to him. He'll definitely help you. But he'll not do it for free. He will definitely charge you because he's worth it. I mean, obviously, if you're good at something, never do it for free. In fact, he's not good, he's great at what he does. If you're interested in getting a good transformation for yourself, definitely contact him. And one great thing about Zishan, the trainer, is that he gives you a nice diet plan where you can sustain it. You can follow it in the long run for the rest of your life. He doesn't remove carbs. Carbs is something that feels so satiating. In fact, he tells me, Sriman, go and cheat, yeah. I'm like, no, I'm super focused right now. I don't want to cheat. He never tortures me giving all boring food. He tells me, Sriman, instead of roti today, eat pasta. You don't need to eat tasteless boiled chicken. You don't need to eat boiled vegetables. He says put achhe se masala. However your mom makes proper curry, eat like that. And that is the reason you can sustain this diet. And yes, you're seeing the difference, right? Anyways, these are the two Zishans, the motivator. I call him the motivator because every day we talk and he keeps motivating me so much. He sends his progress pictures. You know, that's how he keeps motivating me. That is the reason. Zishan the motivator. So that is the first part of the video. The second part of the video is gonna be, what do I actually eat in a day? The reason you people started asking me this is obviously because Sriman is transforming. The difference is very evident and you wanted to follow that diet. But then I'm sorry to disappoint you that I'll give you the diet and don't worry about that. I'm gonna disappoint you because if you follow the exact same diet, you might not transform like me. Because Zishan the trainer, he tailor-made a diet for this particular body. Every human body is different. Every body chemistry is different. So for my particular body, that diet works. Contact Zishan. He's gonna create a nice diet for you. Definitely gonna work because you can see the results here, right? But then I thought, let me share my diet with you like I share my rides and all that. So here's the diet. So my diet basically starts with my breakfast. This is the first meal of the day. I get up at around 8:39 a.m. First thing I do is go have a large glass of water. And the first meal of the day is gonna have 3 whole eggs, with one roti. My proper second meal is gonna be my lunch at around 1:30 p.m. I have a proper cup of brown rice. It's gonna be around 50 grams of raw brown rice. Of course, I'm gonna cook it. Third meal of the day is gonna be around 4:30, 5 o'clock in the evening. My third meal is the most famous meal on my channel. Hamara tiffin box. Any brand of oats, I eat Quaker oats, peanut, not sponsored, peanut butter, whey protein, and hot water. You can put hot milk as well, but then sometimes I would like to have little bit of chai without sugar, so I'm trying to compromise there because it is like very important to maintain calories. If your body needs 2000 calories, for example, and you're eating 2200 calories, unknowingly a cup of chai might have that much, which means you're eating 100 calories in excess, and that might convert into fat because your body doesn't need it. You're getting the complicated calculations, right? But that's how it is. But don't worry, you get used to it. Anyways, that is my third famous meal of the day, and the fourth meal, this is going to be around 9 o'clock in the night. I ate 3 more beautiful carbs ka rotis. Size will be around 8 to 10 inches in diameter. So precise, man. This is how a biker talks. So yeah, basically 3 rotis and chicken. Oh yes, I forgot to mention this. My lunch may have brown rice and chicken, almost 200 grams. Yeah, in a day, almost 400 grams of chicken, and I love my non-veg. So in case you're a vegetarian, this is the reason you need to have a proper trainer. I don't know what to eat in a vegetarian, but definitely you can transform yourself better than me, even in vegetarian. There are options. The fifth meal of the day, in the night, basically around, it's 11:30 right now. Around 11:30 to 12, while I'm editing or doing some other work, I go get my protein shake of 30 grams. 30 grams of whey protein shake and 5 almonds. That's it. This is all what I eat in a day, and it's been working really good for me. Now if you start eating like this, like I told you, it's not gonna work because I used to eat a lot more because I was weighing heavy. My body needs more calories that time. Zishan kept removing a few macros from it, like carbs, sometimes protein, sometimes fat. All these macros he keeps adjusting, and now I'm at 2000 calories. Started at 3000 calories, now I'm at 2000 calories, and everything is going good. Getting all nice positive results. Look at that pump. Can you see it? Whoa. Next I want to show you is the 6-pack abs. Not yet there. 4-pack is there, but 2 more pack is very shy to come out. It will come last because all the junk throughout India, wherever we went almost 12-13 states, and every state we go, we have to have that state ka thali, and all those thalis we have enjoyed, they have been accumulated here. Enough is enough. Abhi bahut thali ka liya. From now onwards, let's be strict. Let's achieve some nice body, and then I can start cheating little bit. But till then, I'm gonna be super focused. Chalo then, I hope you guys have got some nice motivation from this vlog. You have learned something. So definitely consider hitting the like button. In case you're not subscribed yet, you know what to do. After all this, if you're keeping that subscribe button red, you're doing something wrong. Make it grey. I'll see you guys in the next vlog.